You just roll over in the middle of the night. It almost looks like it's on ground level. Is that like a balcony out there?
It is on ground level.
We went one floor up though.
Maybe there's like a hill.
Yeah, maybe.
I was thinking check that out tomorrow.
Alright, let's load up on the goods. What are we thinking? What was that, a donut? No, it's just a bread roll.
It's a bagel.
Grapes.
Let's
Pretty good. Yeah, let's get it. We'll get this pack of grapes. Let's see, trying to figure out what this place is. Probably a church of some kind. No dice. There was actually no filming sign, so I couldn't film inside. But yeah, it was a church, kind of like a, not quite a cathedral, but just like a big church. Lots of cool gold stuff inside. Pretty sweet. They got an IKEA. Whoa, big glass door. That's cool. You can deeply feel the Swedish energy. It's like it's in this building?
Yeah.
Yeah, this blue one? Cool. Yeah, this is probably the entrance. Pretty sweet. This they got over here, it's like, they got like Turkish delight and stuff. Can we please get 2 of the kebab tarik? Yes, please. Sweet. Thank you very much. Yeah. Freaking fire. $13, not too shabby, especially for this much meat. That's good as heck.
Några vill till himmelen och några vill ha fred. Några vill föds på ny, ett liv de aldrig har levt. Någon går rakt i helvete för att vara en jävla skit. En ting kan jag lova er, jag ska inte dit. För jag vill till Valhalla, Valhalla när jag dör. Ta mig till Valhalla när det hela är över. Höj ditt glas, inget mas, bara evighet i kalas. Jag vill till Valhalla, Valhalla när jag dör.
Viking and stuff. That's pretty killer. Got some kind of Red Bull thing going on. Are they like doing stuff like right now or just like setting up?
I mean, they got a big camera.
Oh yeah. Probably gonna do something. We'll see, I guess. Pulling up to the fortress. Pretty sweet. Got a pretty sweet overlook. Is that Haga down there, like the old town, or no? You see the cathedral clock tower over yonder, and that other cathedral, and that other cathedral. I don't think you can go inside, but that'd be pretty cool if you did. I guess this is where the waffles are at. Guess if you'd be gunning a siege to this place, you'd need some carbs for breakfast too. They got Big Gun. Bag of Red Bull. They got the big inflatable thing. That's sweet. Yeah, it's looking like pretty dang thick crowds. Now I kind of understand why people were sitting down and getting spots 2 hours ago. Yo. Thank you. Got handed a cold Red Bull. That's insane. Love that. I'll be the first to admit I don't like plain Red Bull, but when it's free and cold at a Red Bull event, that's pretty good. This is my second energy drink of the morning, so I'm curious to see how that's going to affect me. I've never had 2 in one day before. We'll see how wired I get. I'm trying to find seating, but this is friggin' packed as heck everywhere where there's potential viewing. They do got some poppin' beats though. I just got handed another Red Bull. We were walking through again. Well, considering this would be my 3rd energy drink in the AM, I probably should not partake, especially because I'm really feeling those wings from before. I'm wired as heck right now. Checking out a third division Swedish soccer match. This team apparently used to be really good, but it kind of fell off. Still have a huge fan base though, so I'm interested to see what the atmosphere is going to be like. Got the scarf. I still do not know what this team is called, and I've only just figured out they exist today, but we reppin'. It's going to be a good game. All right, boys, we in. Thankfully they didn't confiscate the gimbal. Dude, it's freaking killer out here. Have a crowd spots. Here's good. Yeah. Had the pre-match warm-up going on. Pretty solid. Match about to start. Bros be getting hyped. Pretty lit. Not a lot of people, but they're all very spirited. It's cool. Close. At full time. Here it is, the Holy Fish Church. Totally like a big seafood market. Get us some fish. Whoa. That's pretty cool.
Is they closing up?
I don't know, man. Some might be closing up. We might have been a little late to the game, fam. Well, that's a bust. It's all right.